Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, we are talking about extending the Zoom meeting time beyond 40 minutes. And the reality is, yes, there is a way, but it's going to look highly unprofessional, first of all. You would do better to just get the pro plan so that you can extend your meeting times. It would actually be better if you just waited the 10 minutes because that at least looks more professional. Now, the other way to do this would be to create more than one Zoom account using two different Google accounts or two different email addresses and then switching between the accounts. Again, this is not going to look professional at all. And if I am correct, Zoom might have found a way to patch this out as they have done with all the other previous plans. So if you do want to do the account switching method, it's just as simple as starting a new meeting with new accounts. And again, this is not going to look great. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.